Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need power and a quick action now. First, plug the watch into its charger and verify the charger and cable work with another device. Low voltage causes boot loops. Once charging, force restart by holding the digital crown and side button together for 10 to 15 seconds until the logo flickers. This clears many temporary kernel or driver hangs. If the logo keeps returning, make a mental note of your watch model and any on-screen colors, because that guides deeper recovery steps. Once the force restart didn't fix it, move to data-safe recovery. Unpair the watch from your iPhone using the Watch app. That creates an encrypted backup and removes activation lock so you can erase safely. After unpairing, try updating Watch OS through the Watch app because software patches often resolve boot issues. If updating fails, erase and restore from the backup. For deeper problems, connect the watch to a Mac running Finder or Apple configurator and follow recovery steps to reinstall the OS image. This addresses corrupt firmware. Once you've exhausted software fixes, the next step is diagnostics and repair. If the watch still shows the Apple logo or won't complete setup after a restore, contact Apple support or an Apple-authorized service provider to run hardware tests. Many boot failures stem from battery or board faults. Make an appointment and bring proof of purchase if under warranty. If you're still troubleshooting, one key tip: test with a known good charger and cable for a full day, because intermittent power can mimic firmware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.